47-year-old farmer suspected to have taken his own life in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Elizabeth police are probing a suspected case of a suicide involving a farmer at Warminster on Thursday night. Police has named the deceased as 47-year-old Jerome Mullins, a resident of Warminster near Nain in the parish. A police report said that at around 10 p.m., a passerby found Mullins' body hanging from a rope from a tree. The police were summoned and the scene processed and the body removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.